there's breaking news coming in. Republic SIT is getting information that the Narcotics Bureau will be meeting in the national capital today to discuss some leads that the Enforcement Directorate has found. In fact, last afternoon we told you that the Enforcement Directorate suspects Riya Chakrabarti has links with drug dealers. They also suspect that she was possibly also dealing in drugs. Shravan Sen is joining me on the phone line. Shravan, big meeting going to take place. The focus is going to be Riya's nexus with drug dealers. This is what we are hearing from top sources. This is going to be a meeting. The NCB is going to discuss the leads that the Enforcement Directorate has come across. What could be the next course of action as this drug angle also now becomes the focus?
Well, in fact, the first information actually came in from the Enforcement Directorate when they were essentially going through the phone data dump analysis. Now, this is at that point in time when we got this information that Riya Chakrabarti, in fact, from the year 2017, was actually in touch with certain drug dealers. In fact, sources within the Enforcement Directorate have revealed that this information has already been passed on to the Central Bureau of Investigation because, Sagrika, there is a limitation perhaps when it comes to the Enforcement Directorate, when it comes to their entire investigation. As of today, we are being told that the Narcotics Control Bureau has also been roped in. In fact, the top officials are currently meeting in New Delhi. In fact, they are also going through the documents that have been provided by the Enforcement Directorate to the NCB, and thereafter they will be deciding their future course of action.
Right, Shravan, stay with us. Like you mentioned, the first lead, in fact, came in the afternoon on Tuesday when top sources from the Enforcement Directorate, in fact, said that they are suspecting links between Riya Chakrabarti and some drug dealers. Later in the night, some WhatsApp chats, in fact, came to the fore, which, in fact, showed some chats between Riya and her team discussing drugs and also some alleged conversations. I beg your pardon, some conversations with alleged drug dealers from the year 2017 to April 2020. Shravan, what are these papers that the ED has possibly handed over to the Narcotics Bureau? Do we have any information on that front?
Well, in fact, Sagarika, the Enforcement Directorate has been completely tight-lipped about the nature of the evidence that has been shared with the Central Bureau of Investigation. Having said that, they are certainly looking at certain drug dealers that have basically come under the scanner. That would be point number one that has been shared with the Central Bureau of Investigation. Secondly, is with regards to certain interaction that has taken place between Riya Chakrabarti with some of her close associates, details of which have already been provided to the NCB as well as the Central Bureau of Investigation.
All right, Shravan, thank you for getting us those updates. So, three big news points coming in at this point of time. The Narcotics Control Bureau senior officials are currently meeting in the national capital and they are discussing the leads the ED is probing and the leads the ED has shared with them. The drug dealing angle has become a focus of this investigation. In fact, yesterday afternoon, it was the first time that we got the news about the ED suspecting Riya Chakrabarti's alleged links with suspected drug dealers, and this now has become focus of the investigation. For now, agencies extremely tight-lipped about the kind of evidence they have, but one thing is for sure, that Riya and her associates and their deleted WhatsApp conversations, some that have now come to the fore, some that now have been retrieved from 2017 to 2020, these deleted WhatsApp conversations with alleged drug dealers are also under the scanner. Shravan Sen breaking those details. Riya's drug dealings now under the scanner. We'll be back as we get more updates on that front.